Today's topic is what is RESTful API and how it works. First of all, tell you I'm Sway Moi from IT Professional YouTube channel. I make many video about poor grammar and IT professional. If you want become IT professional, so subscribe my channel for latest update. Thanks. Now we go on today topics. What is RESTful API first? RESTful API, Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface, is a type of web architecture and a set of rules for designing networked applications. It is based on the principles of REST, Representational State Transfer, architectural style, which is often used in the development of web services. A RESTful API allows for communication between different systems by using the standard HTTP methods, such as GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE, to perform operations on resources that are identified by URIs. The resources are typically represented in JSON or XML format, and the API defines a set of endpoints that the client can interact with.